record this video, the personal website I created today. So let's go to this personal website and have a look. This one is navigation. The 5 elements above are navigation. This navigation is my blog, and the navigation is my YouTube channel. I made this navigation myself, a YouTube cover cropping tool. This navigation is a server I recommend. Let's say you want to deploy a tool like this, or maybe WordPress. We can recommend this high-performance server. This is the Moon. My Yuming was also bought on it. There is a commission for these two. If you click on my link, you have a discount. I have a discount. Here is a book recommendation. Let's take a look at the effect. This open is my blog. This is probably my YouTube. This is the tool station for image cropping. So let's say we pick an image. Then this can be cropped as the size of the cover that fits YouTube. Cloud as a service. If you are not familiar with WordPress and the need for a tool station, we turn it all off. That is the above 5 are the elements of a navigation, and this, again, is the navigation element. Let's say we want to buy Kindle eBooks. We open this. It can jump to this page. As of today, currently a website navigation has been added and a book product navigation. Let's take a look at today's process. For example, when I first started, you can see here that it was written at the beginning like this. Element. Such an element can be directly redirected to the blog. Here's the title of his blog. Blog description, blog icon. And then I added my YouTube and my tool station. Refresh it. And here it goes. These are my 3 personal websites. So I'm going to do another line. Let him place some third-party commission websites. Ah, this is the effect. But this whole page is a bit too big. I added another book element. It's what I want to show myself. So the book is added here, maybe a 5th one later. The 6th one will add some others. But in today's time, I can only develop so much. Eventually, I deployed it to a website like this. Later, I may add a website visit. Buy something like this mouse and put it on. He has this mouse effect. Indicates that it is a link. Carousel charts cannot be added. It can slide left and right. Keep sliding. Can load new things. You can add some notification prompts and the like. So to sum up, spent a few hours today. So that's it. If you think it's good, it can be in the introduction of the video. Click here to describe the website.